Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine in shine. Today we will discuss our second lecture, unit conversion and artwork. We will discuss unit conversion briefly and shortly. Okay, so our first topic in today's lecture is unit conversion. In unit conversion, we usually taking three things: length, area, and volume. Length is one dimensional. Okay, length is one dimensional, area is two dimensional, and volume is three dimensional. Okay, so types of unit conversion are here. We will discuss MKS units, meter, kilogram, second, and FPS unit, foot, pound, second. Okay, so the first one MKS, meter, centimeter, millimeter. These units are called as engineering units. Okay, and the second one, feet, inches, and yards. These units are called architectural units. Okay, so length 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, and 1 meter is equal to 39.36 inches. Many of you will be aware of this. Okay, so there is no need to discuss. Okay, so please note one thing, that whenever you go from higher unit to lower unit, we use multiplication. Okay, and whenever we go from lower unit to higher unit, we use division. Okay, for example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Okay, so let's take 10 centimeter will be is equal to how much mm. 10 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to mm. So we will use 10 multiplied by 10 will give 100 mm. We will use multiplication, and whenever we go from lower unit to higher unit, we will use division. For example, 10 mm is equal to how much centimeter. Okay, so we will use 10 divided by 10 is equal to, will give 1 centimeter. Okay, so please note that one thing, whenever we go from high unit to lower, we use multiplication, and whenever we go from lower units to higher units, we use division. Okay, so this was a short theory of units conversion. Please note all these units, and weight unit, 1 kg is equal to 2.2046 pounds, and for capacity we use gallon. 1 UK gallon is equal to 4.546 liters. Also note these units, and in Pakistan mostly we're taking one sekla. Sekla means cubic feet. One sekla is equal to 100 cubic feet. Okay, one ton is equal to 1000 kg. Also note these things. So this was a short theory of unit conversion. So in our quantity survey course, we will discuss about these things, and we will find the quantities and estimation, etc., and rate analysis of these things. Earthwork, PCC in foundation, RCC, brickwork, column, quantity means BBS and RCC, beam, slab, stairs, plaster quantity, paint quantity, tiles quantity. We will find all these things in the upcoming lectures, and in today's topic we will discuss earthwork. Our first topic is earthwork. So earthwork mostly taking in cubic feet or cubic meter. Okay, earthwork is mostly taking in a cubic feet or cubic meter. Whenever we draw a building, sketch on the ground, mostly we do digging, that's called cutting, and then we fill that digging area with concrete or soil, etc. That's called filling process. Okay, so when you fill an area, volume of soil will decrease after providing water. So for that purpose we multiply the given quantity with 1.3. So this will be the actual amount of soil need for filling. So let's discuss shortly. For example, I have an area length is equal to length is equal to 20 feet, width is equal to 2 feet. For example, this is a foundation, and depth is equal to 2 feet. Okay, for example, so we need quantity. For this we will multiply length into width into depth, will give quantity. Okay, or for example, if we have a room of length 20 feet, width 15 feet, and depth, for example, 5 feet, and we need to fill this room with soil. So for that purpose we will multiply all these quantities, 20 into 15 into 5 will give you 15 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 20 cubic feet, will give you 1500 cubic feet. Okay, so this is the amount of soil need for filling without water. And when we provide water, its volume will decrease. So for that purpose, we have to multiply this 1500 with 1.3. So it become 1950 1950 cubic feet. This is the actual volume needed for a room. Okay, and in Pakistan, we mostly use Sekla instead of cubic feet. Okay, many contractors are using Sekla word. So one Sekla is equal to 100 cubic feet. So our quantity was 1950 divided by 100. So it will give 19.5. Okay, so this was a short lecture of earthwork and unit conversion. I hope you all will be understand. And in the next lecture, we will discuss PCC work. Okay, and then we'll discuss RCC quantity and foundation. Okay, then we will discuss brickwork. In mostly area there is no need of filling. Okay, so this was a short lecture. I hope you all will understand. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, take care. Bye bye.